I am at Verdana Village in Estero, Florida. This is part 2 of this particular house under construction. This is a Yorkshire by Pulte. And there's the entryway there, which I would probably screen eventually. That's my dog. Hulk's gonna come and take a tour with me. That's the Incredible Hulk. All right, so again, this has an extra deep garage, which is awesome. I don't know what they're gonna plan to do with it. Hey, leave it. Good boy. But I would put a bunch of cabinets, put a little workshop up front, and then you still have room for your golf cart and your 2 cars. Plus, here in Verdana Village, see across the street there? The house across the street. Everybody has a very long driveway, which is very unusual for these communities in Florida. This developer, last name is Camerata Builders or Camerata Development, something like that. Anyway, they do a great job. They really do a great job planning a community. They did the place at Corkscrew first, and now this is their second one over here, and they're already planning a third even. But this community is gonna have all kinds of cool amenities. Okay, so look at the, so we've got all brick along the edges. We only have a few wood walls in here, and the wood ones are the support walls. You try to do as little wood as possible here in Florida because of the termites. And then that's what these green hoses are for too. You can't see it because you can't see that kind of thing. But they're so tiny. There's this green hose has these itty bitty little tiny perforations in it. And it is for pest control. It's for the termites. So this room, I think right here is like a den. It doesn't have, it's not framed up for a closet, so I think it's like a really big office. My dog's already going upstairs. Hulk, get back down here. Come on, Bub. Come on. Come on, Hulk. Good boy. Okay. Come on. Come down here. And this is why he isn't on my other tours. Come on, baby. All right. So this is the entryway. Nice wide hallway here. It'll be very nice. And then you walk in, you turn right. Wait, right here, babe. And you're gonna walk right in here. This is a closet right here. And then immediately you're gonna have this bedroom up front here. But this is like a master. So this is going to be a master suite here. This is the secondary master suite. It's not the primary master suite, but this is a suite. Nice and big, plenty of room for a king size. Hi, Pop. Sometimes the contractors leave food, especially chicken bones. I don't know what it is with them. They're always leaving chicken bones in these models. I don't want to get any of those. All right, so then you come right in here and you're going to have a double vanity. And a tub and a shower in here. That's an option. You can get a shower here, just a shower, but they opted for the tub and shower. And then look at this huge closet. Hard to see without walls, but it's really big. And this is just off the downstairs extra master suite. Not the master, it's the secondary master. All right, and you come in here and they're gonna do a door right here. It's kind of like the Harry Potter door. Hey, bud. And it's gonna just be extra storage. Okay, and then just beyond the, sorry about that. Just beyond the front door and the first master, you have this living space here. I don't know, they'll probably do like a living room area right along here. And then see that wood on the walls. So the the little slats all the way along the wall, those are for hanging the drywall. They got to have something to attach the drywall to, and they don't want to go through the concrete for every single piece of drywall they need to hang. So they put these like starter filler pieces here. They're like 1 by 2. But right here against the wall, where they've got, it almost looks like a pallet. There's so much wood there. That is for hanging the TV, and that is an upgrade. It doesn't cost very much, but it's a nice little upgrade because then you don't have to go into the concrete when you're hanging your TV. You just go right over those boards. This one has outdoor kitchen. Okay, even if you're not going to put an outdoor kitchen in, prep it for an outdoor kitchen. It's very difficult to prep it after and very expensive. So go ahead and do that upgrade. That's a good one. All right. So if I'm in the living room here, so here's the TV. I'm in the living room looking this way. So this is going to be, I'm walking into the dining room where all the drywall is. Yeah, I love drywall. Those pieces are huge too. I don't know how they handle those things. Big, strong men. All right. And you got the island right here. Here's the island. And in my last video, I wasn't sure why they had so much wood along the wall right there. Right in that section there. And I asked them, and they told me in the comments, yes, they're putting in the built-in appliances. So that is just more things to screw into. So that's why there's those extra pieces of wood there against the wall. And then this house, love this model because it's got this great big pantry. This is gonna be a walk-in pantry. Huge. Really, it's gonna be a really nice size. I'll try and do another one of this one too, once the drywall's up so you can get a better feel for the scale. And then really tall doors here, nice and tall. And so we've got these nice big doors going out to the lanai. And then they also did, right there, they prepped it for a outdoor TV too. So they got to plug up high right there. That's an additional upgrade. Nice lanai size here, covered lanai, and then they're going to have a pool. So they are going to have a lanai way out there too. So, I mean, that's essentially the same pool they installed for my house at the place. I don't have a pool yet here at Verdana. Probably gonna put one in though. All right, so let's take a look at some of the framing up there. Those nice trusses, and then they've got the duct work going through there and the electrical. It's nice to see the guts of a house. I just think construction is so interesting. If I were tougher, I probably would have gone into construction, but I'm kind of a wimp. No construction for me. And they've got a nice view out there. They've got a water view. It's pretty. There is an alligator, at least one in that lake. I hear he's big. I haven't seen him. And I started telling you about this developer, but oh, hold on just a second. I skipped this. So next to the stairway here, well, stay there, Hulk. You got a half bath here too. So you got the toilet there, and there's the sink and the drain. Big, nice size half bath. Okay, so then we're gonna go up the stairs, and they did this temporary railing. Love that. But they've got it framed in already for the actual railing as well. That's the wood that they're gonna attach the railing to. And here's the trusses. Love this view in through here. They got the PEX running through there. Water lines going in between in the trusses. And I think I mentioned these in one of the other videos, but might have even been part one for this video. But these things here, love these. Okay, so instead of screws or nails holding these what are they called? Trusses together. They hammer on these plates. They got like little teeth on the back of there. So there's like, you know, like 100 nails right here holding these together instead of 1 or 2 screws. So it's a good construction innovation. Love that. All right. The last time I was up here, hard time. They weren't as far along, and so I had a hard time envisioning this upstairs. Plus they had caution tape up, so I couldn't really get around to all of the different areas. And they got the windows in now, so that's good. Got the dark frame windows. Okay, this is a nice big bedroom. Wow, this is a really good size. And the closet is over there. And then this is a bathroom. Good boy, full bath. Good boy, Hulk. And then we come over here. Pretty sure this is, okay, so this is where the cables that run all through the house, they all come to here. It's like a little hub. This is a cool feature that Lennar and Pulte both do. And then this blue tube is future use. So this blue tube goes outside. So if you need to run tubes, or sorry, not tubes. If you need to run cable, you run it through the blue tubes. All right, so here's a closet area right here. And then pretty sure, yeah, I think this is, yep. This is gonna be the washer and dryer area. So this is the laundry room. It's gonna be a nice big laundry room. So we'll have the washer there. There's the dryer vent. Then on this side, it's all ready for a sink. And I'm sure there'll be cabinets over here. On the other side. Okay, another bedroom, another nice sized bedroom. This model has some really, really big bedrooms in it. It's a really good size. So this bedroom here, and then the one that we looked at first on the other side of the upstairs there, they'll share that one bedroom, that one bathroom. And there's a closet for it, very nice. And then another bedroom, huge. Gosh, these bedrooms are giant up here. And, okay, yep. So last time I was here, we had this, this thing that kind of looked like a closet, but it didn't have any access point. And I speculated that it would be something having to do with the air handler, yeah. So it is. It is the part where they run the main artery from the basement upstairs for the air handler. Nice sized closet in this bedroom. This bedroom's giant. It's so big. All right. And that's not the master. It's definitely not the master. Oh my gosh, another big room. Okay, so this isn't really a bedroom. It doesn't have a closet. And it's very, very large. It's like a quarter of the size of the whole upstairs. And it's like an additional sitting room. So like a theater room or a playroom, a gaming room, something like that. Look at that nice view. I don't see the gator out there. The Verdana gator out there yet. But don't go swimming. All right, and then you got a closet here. And then this is gonna be where the air handlers are. This is such a big house, you're gonna have to have at least 2 air handlers in here. This is where they're gonna keep them. Come on there, babe. Okay, so here we got to the master now. Here is the master bedroom. Quite large. It's almost as big as that sitting room up there. That additional living room area. Not quite as big, but then there's, see that? There's this huge closet. It's like, they're gonna need to go shopping and get more clothes and stuff because this closet is giant. It is so big. They're gonna love it. All right. And then we come in here. This is the master bath. It did not get swept up. There's signs all over. They spray paint them on the walls. Sweep every day. Clean up the site every day. Well, this area didn't get cleaned up. Call the foreman. All right. So this is the master bath. There's one vanity, and then way over there, second vanity. So this is a very big vanity area, huge. And then the shower is fantastic. Okay, so they got a bench right here. And then look at the shower. Look how long that is. That's all shower. All that gray part, that's all shower. Leave that, Hulk. And then see the pink? That's gonna be a niche. The shower size here, the bench and the niche are all separate upgrades. But I think they're worth it because those are kind of difficult things to do after the fact. And then here's where the toilet goes. All right. And that is the upstairs. Oh, there's the closet for the other room. The first one we went through. And this time of the construction, I can just walk through the walls like I'm a ghost. Couple days once all this drywall's up, and I could be able to walk through the walls, and I have to go all the way around to get out. All right, so anyway, this is Verdana Village. HOAs are pretty low. Depends on your lot size. You're gonna be around 340. Let's go, Hulky. And they're gonna have some fantastic amenities here. The amenities and the driveways and the wetlands, they protect a lot of wetlands. This developer is all about protecting the, we are in the Corkscrew Sanctuary. This whole section of Florida is called the Corkscrew Sanctuary. And he's very good about keeping all of these wet areas. And then once the houses are in over here, like out back along the water here, they're gonna plant a bunch of native plants. And if you're in one of the houses that backs up to the wetlands, you can see that there's a bunch of plants already planted, trees, and I mean, they spend hundreds of thousands on plantings, native plantings, to make sure that the area is preserved for nature. And like I mentioned, that alligator's in there. The alligator was here first, and he'll remain. If he becomes a problem, they'll relocate him, but until he's a problem, he gets to stay. Oh my gosh, so last week I saw Florida panther across the street, right over into the golf course that's right next to here. Very cool. All right, so again, this is Yorkshire. I'm at Verdana Village. I'm Dina Sowers, and actually I'm gonna go right across the street. This is my house. There's my house. Take a picture of my car so you can have my contact information. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are looking to buy in Florida, looking to sell in Florida, Verdana Dina can help you. There's my contact information. Like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And if you watched 18 minutes in, just go ahead and like and subscribe. You had to have liked it a little bit. Thanks for watching.